My name is William Mitchell, and I'm here to represent Team Jib8112 in the CapVote project. The CapVote project is designed to make it easier for Capstone Design Expo administrators to control the number of teams and also allow visitors to vote on their favorite projects as they see them. So we're going to first walk you through some of the features of this application. I'm going to start by walking you through the Expo administrator features. I'm going to begin by logging in. This connects natively using your Google account into my Expo administrator account. This lands us onto the project listing page. As we can see here, we have all of the team projects listed in a table. It also lists the number of votes received by each team. This live updates as the expo goes on. You see some actions on the right-hand side of the screen, which I'll go over later, but the edit button and the delete button are exclusive to expo administrators, allowing them to change the information about a team and also delete them. You can also click the Create Voting Report to generate a PDF of all of the current votes for the team so that they can be posted somewhere. You can even add new projects manually. In addition, you can also choose a comma-separated value file to import many teams into the database at the same time. I will then show you how to manage user roles. Managing user roles is a useful feature if you're trying to add people with different permissions to the expo. You just click the Create New User Role feature, or user button, click on a name, and then give them a role. After that, it redirects you back to the previous page and you can see them in the table. This can be used if you're trying to create additional expo administrators to help with the management. You can also go to the expo map and upload a file to allow for the expo map to be posted on the screen. While I currently don't have a map layout, as this was recorded before the expo, this is the place that you would do that. You can hit cancel, and the map would appear right here if there was one. So I'm going to go ahead and go home. Alright, that finishes up the Expo Administrator features. I'm now going to log into a visitor account. A visitor is anyone who does not have a specific role and is just otherwise visiting the Expo, going about their day. As we can see here, we have a slightly different view of the projects table. We can see that there is different names. We can also see that there's a different set of actions here. Visitors to the Expo can bookmark their favorite projects by clicking on the little star icon. They can then click on the Bookmarks tab and see their favorite projects listed so that they can choose on which one they like the best. Visitors can also switch between the voting for the projects that they like the most, just by clicking on the +1. Visitors can only vote for one project at a time. Lastly, if visitors would like to leave a comment on their favorite project, they can go here and type a comment, and then they can see their comment appear in a live feed with other people at the expo. And lastly, they can look on the expo map to see an expo map if there was one. That concludes our demo. We hope that you are able to find these features useful, and please reach out to us if you have any questions.